The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for western McLean County in central Illinois until 9:30 p.m. At 8:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Armington, or 15 miles north of Lincoln, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Stanford around 8:55 p.m. Bloomington and Danvers around 9:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Normal, Hudson, Towanda, Cooksville, and Lexington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 55 between mile markers 154 and 181. Interstate 74 between mile markers 122 and 136. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA Weather.